So, you're a single member LLC. Let's talk about how your income is taxed. Sole proprietorships and single-member LLCs are both disregarded entities in the eyes of the IRS, which means that the IRS sees no difference between John Smith earning $50,000 of self-employment income from cutting lawns and John Total Landscaping LLC earning $50,000. Both will result in the exact same amount of tax. A single member's LLC's income, not owner draws, will be taxed at ordinary income rates plus self-employment tax rates. Check out our lecture, How is Income Taxed in the United States, for more info on that. There is no tax benefit to opening an LLC. The main benefit is that if you keep your business assets separate from your personal assets will be protected should a lawsuit be filed against your business.
If you found this video helpful, we're real accountants and CPAs who work with hundreds of small business owners just like you every day. Check us out at engagecpas.com to see if we're a good fit for your business. We also have business courses available to help small business owners understand their business. They're for you to learn about your financials, your taxes, how to pick the right entity, tax myths, and everything else about your business. Learn at your own pace. Check those courses out on the Education tab on our website. You can also find us on Instagram at Engage CPAs.